Alright guys, so welcome to today's video, and in today's video we will continue to work on our Itachi character we have started in the last episode of the series, and in the last episode we have also dealt with the creation of our fireball model. So let's just move it back in to remind you about it, and as you can see, this is how it looks like. And yeah, so today we will actually create a move with this fireball model right here involved, okay? Alright, so let's begin. And you of course need to go inside of this local script. As you can see, we have already defined those parameters, so fireball, infinite Tsukiyomi, Amaterasu, etc. guys. And where is it? Yeah, it is inside of here. So moves. So we now need to go inside of this moves script, and you guys should know that this script right here is responsible to handle all of the things, yeah, all of the fire server requests regarding moves. So it doesn't matter if Luffy, Itachi, or any other character in the future. And yeah, so this is the paragraph of Fireball. And we will now create this thing. And we will probably not be able to make it look like to make it look like how it actually is within the anime series, because let me just point out that when the fireball is being used, that the fire breath comes out of the mouth, okay, and it still can, so it's still yeah, so it comes out of the mouth and then forms and becomes bigger in front of the character, and there still is a connection from the fireball, so the big round shape, to the mouth, okay? And we are probably unable to create that, so that connection. So I hope that you guys have understood what I was trying to point out. So if not, then let me just demonstrate this to you. So as you can see, we have our fireball right here, so this round shape I was talking about. And basically, in the Naruto anime series, we have the case that when the fireball is being used as an attack, that the user breathes out the fire, okay? And we are unable to do that, so we could maybe do something like this, okay? But my idea was to make this thing move forward, okay? But actually, let's do this, because this idea isn't as bad as well. So let's actually go with this one. So let's place the fireball back inside. So the only thing we will need is an animation, so fireball anim, okay? And of course, this part right here and the damage dealing part. And let's start with the animation. So animation editor, select your dummy, create new, and fireball. Okay, and so there were many ways characters have done when it came to this fireball topic. I think that I'm probably going to do something like that. So the hand is nearby the mouth, and yeah. So set the animation priority to movement if you are doing something like this. You can even loop it if you want to, because I'll probably make this a stance. Okay, I'm gonna export this thing. Then I'm gonna copy the animation ID, and I'm gonna paste the animation ID below. Then I'm gonna head back into this moves script, and let's replace the animation ID, and let's test this out. Let's see how this looks like. Yeah, so as you can see, this is the stance. And we also need to make sure that the walk speed and the jump power is set to 0, means the player is unable to walk. Otherwise, we would be able to move away while the fireball is supposed to come out of our mouth, you know, so the fireball itself just stands at one place and does not move with our character, okay? Therefore, we need to make our character unable to move as well to prevent this, tiny glitch. Okay, so we have done the animation. We have made the player unable to walk. Next thing we have to do is, of course, the fireball. So we need to clone the fireball out of the replicated storage in front of our player. And we need to deal the damage, and then we need to clear up the thing, so everything, at the end. Okay, so let's just do one by one. So let's deal with the fireball first of all. So the fireball is instead of the replicated storage, therefore game, get service replicated storage, so we are referring to this component right here, and then to the fireball. And we want to clone it, therefore clone. And now we want to put it inside of the workspace so it becomes visible to us. And let's make sure that the fireball is anchored. Otherwise, we'll have a problem. Also, make sure that can collide is false. So the same goes for our outside part instead of our fireball. And now we need to set the C frame of our fireball. So the C frame is basically something like the position. Okay. So C frame. And the C frame means something like the position is is equal to our root part's position, means to where we are standing multiplied with some other C frames, so with some other coordinates. We'll just need to see how much. Okay, yeah. So we first of all need to turn this thing, otherwise we'll have a problem. So C frame angles math rat 90. So we are turning this thing by 90 degrees on the y-axis. So it either faces to our back or to our front. Yeah, it faces to our front. That's great. Now we need to make this thing move forward. So we need to play with this z-axis, I think. I'm not sure. But we'll see pretty soon. Nope. It is the x-axis. Okay, so we have moved this thing to the back. We need to move it to the front. Yeah. A little bit more. And we need to move it a little bit more down. Yeah. Maybe a little bit more forward. But only maybe, I'm not sure. Let's do 13. Yeah, okay. Maybe we should add a tiny weight. Otherwise, the fireball appears before our animation appears, and that's not good. Yeah, okay. We need to add something inside. 0.1 maybe, I'm not sure. We'll see. Yeah, so you're able to move away with shift lock. So we have our character. Okay. Okay, there we go. Now, let's move on with the damage dealing part. And for this one, we'll use this ray casting. You guys should know about it. I'm not gonna go through it anymore. If you have no idea, then watch my previous videos about the Gummo moves, because I'm explaining ray casting in those ones. And yeah. So I'm actually thinking about putting a burning sound effect instead of the person who has touched this fireball. We'll see, we'll see. We'll see. Let's just try to use this. Has he? Yes, so he did not. And I don't know why. Okay, wait. Let's deal with the fire first of all. Yeah, so that's a cool burn effect. Let's set it to 1. And let's call it fire. Let's put it inside of our replicated storage. Now let's do the following. So if we have someone, wait, let me lower this one. So instead of cloning an animation, we will clone this particle. So local fire, game get service, replicated storage. So the same with our as our fireball, we have this thing instead of the replicated storage. Therefore, we need to refer to it. So replicated storage, fire clone, and then we just put it inside of, well, let's put it inside of the upper torso. So fire parent, parent upper torso, and we'll just destroy the fire after 2 seconds, okay? So as you guys know, this runs in the background, and after 2 seconds we'll destroy the fire, maybe after 5 seconds. And we also need this burning sound effect while the fire goes on. So let me mute the audio and let me hear through those sound examples right here. Yeah, let's look for fire. Okay, shoutouts to Countess Vaduva. I'm gonna use your sound. Thank you for that. Okay. Yes, I'm gonna enable the audio. So listen to it. So that's the sound. That's a good sound, to be honest. So script sound. No, script fire. Let's put it inside of the upper torso as well, and get about any pitch effects whatsoever. So forget about them. We just take the sound as it is, And yeah, so that's all about the damage dealing part. Now, we need to work on the destruction of his fireball, so... Or is it? Yeah, axe, destroy, and yeah, so it actually is pretty easy. We could add some kind of transition, so if you have any ideas for any cool transition we could possibly do with tweening, then yeah, share some ideas. Sort of the comment section. Oh yeah, we all forgot to add a wait, so wait for seconds. And we also need to get rid of the animation, so loader. No, wait. Yeah, loader. Loader is totally correct. Why it's not working? Loader destroy and animation destroy, okay? So that's the way on how you get rid of the animation. So loader makes the animation stop from playing. And animation destroy destroys the animation instance. Okay, yeah, so this one, yeah, isn't being hit. I don't know why. But it should work on moving objects. Does he move? Does he attack? I hope so. Because if not, then we have a problem. Okay. What is this? Yeah, cool. I need a moving zombie, come on. Yo, where's this one model, which was pretty popular back then, and which was on his front page right here? Okay, yeah, I cannot find it, guys. But yeah, wait, there it is. I hope that this one works. Not then we'll have a problem. Okay, didn't work. Probably has to do with the ray casting thing. Yeah, so we probably need to take a deeper look instead of this one. Yeah, so doesn't even seem to hit. So it really has to do with the ray casting, guys. And I'm honest with you, it is already pretty late for me, and I would ask you, okay? I would ask you to check this out for yourself and tell me if it does work. If not, then I'll take care of it in the next episode, guys. And yeah, so that's it with the video, guys. If you have any ideas on tuning up this whole thing, so this whole move with some effects, etc., then leave some ideas in the comment section, guys. If not, then I'm just gonna continue. And yeah, thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, share this video to all of your friends. Yeah, and take care. See you in the next video, guys.